How to redeem your Microsoft gift card. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can redeem your Microsoft gift card. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first step is you will need to open up a web browser. After you open up a web browser, simply head over to the search bar. And on search bar, you will need to search for redeem.microsoft.com, this website. Hit enter. After you hit enter, it should take you to Microsoft's official site. Now, if you have not yet logged in into your account, you will have to log into your account first before you see this page. And after you're here, all you now need to do is enter the 25 character code. So just enter your 25 character code. And if this code is correct, just tap on next and then you will get to redeem your Microsoft's gift card. And it's that simple. Now, as you can see right here, I do not actually have the gift card, so it's not taking it in. And yeah, that is basically it. That is how you can redeem your Microsoft gift card. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye bye.